Welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman, and I know that everyone is gearing up to go back to school. PHOTOPLAY has just released the new Brainiac collection designed by Becky Moore. This collection includes 6 stunning papers, a sticker sheet, as well as ephemera, stamps, coordinating dies, as well as a Color Me paper. All of the things you need to capture all of those wonderful back-to-school memories. Let's jump in and take a look. The collection kit includes 2 of each of the papers that you see here, as well as a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. As we take a closer look at the papers, this one is called Achieve with your great cut-aparts. Then we have Class Schedule, College Prep, Notebook 6 by 8. So you have 2 notebooks at 6 by 8 inches, as well as this awesome keyboard. Too Much Homework. And the last paper in this collection is called Lockers. This is the 12 by 12 element sticker sheet with lots of titles, words, borders, and icons. This is the Brainiac Color Me paper with this awesome keyboard on the back. This is the ephemera pack that features 29 icons, titles, and more. This is a quick look at the coordinating stamp set with rulers, pencils, backpacks, as well as some fun sentiments. There's also a coordinating die set, which is sold separately. We know how hard it is to match coordinating cardstock with a collection. So we have gone ahead and color matched the My Colors cardstock with the Brainiac collection. We have, from the Canvas collection, Goldenrod and Mandarin. From the Dot collection, we have Dusty Miller and Boxwood. And from the Classic collection, we have Gold Rush. And from the Heavyweight cardstock collection, we have Twilight. We've given you different textures, different weights to be able to give added dimension and interest to your layouts. Leave us a comment. Let us know which paper you like the best. Thanks for watching and have a great day.